Good morning, students. We have completed term 1. Now let's look at term 2. Unit 1, Geometry. Students, we have already seen in term 1 of this lesson, Geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, position, angles and dimensions of the things. Flat shapes like squares, circles and triangles are part of flat geometry and are called 2D shapes. The shapes have only two dimensions, the length and the width. Examples of 2D shapes in flat geometry: circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Then solid objects are also known as 3D objects having the third dimensions of height or depth. Examples of 3D shapes in solid geometry: cube, cuboid, sphere and cone. And now they have given the difference at the beginning of this lesson. Difference between 2D and 3D objects. 2D, 2 dimension. 3D means 3 dimension. Dimensions, length and breadth. Here length, height and width. Examples, 2D examples: square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelograms, trapezium, quadrilateral. And 3D examples: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and pyramid. See, first, introduction of symmetry. In our day-to-day activity, we see many leaves of plants, blades, wings of our butterflies, etc. The figures which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical figures. Okay, we have already seen this too. See the examples. First one, square. It can be divided into straight and center, and like this it can be divided into diagonals. Okay, next one, rectangle. It can be divided center part. Okay, and third picture, leaf, can be divided center part only. Okay, and next, the two halves of the figures are the mirror images of each other. Now we have taken this shape and it looks like this when we see in the mirror. Okay, and next, now again we'll take this shape. It is A shaped when viewed in the mirror. Okay, and next again we'll take this shape. It is E shaped when viewed in the mirror. Okay, and next, see symmetry in geometrical shapes. Okay, see first one, square. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. And next one, rectangle. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. 1 and 2. Okay. Next one, circle. You can divide the circle any way. You can divide this side and this side and this side or this side. Okay. So a circle has infinitive lines of symmetry. Okay. And next, an equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3. Equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Okay. And next, students, we can watch one video about this.
Look at these figures. The line you can see is the line of symmetry of these figures. Line of symmetry, what is that? When we fold the figure about this line of symmetry, we will see that the two parts of the figure is coinciding. Let's take this figure now. When we fold this figure from the center, we will see that the two parts. Priya, can you now identify the line of symmetry in these designs? I will try. In this figure, this is the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. How? When we fold this design this way, the two parts so formed will coincide. So this is the line of symmetry. Good, you have learnt now. And in these figures, these are the lines of symmetry. Now I will tell you about lines of symmetry in regular polygons. Do you know what a regular polygon is? It is a closed figure made up of several line segments. And triangle is a polygon made up of at least 3 line segments. You are right. And a regular polygon is one whose all the line segments are equal and the measures of all the angles are equal. Therefore, a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon are the examples of regular polygons. There all the sides are equal and the measures of their angles are also equal. Are the regular polygons equal? Yes, the regular polygons are symmetrical figures and have many lines of symmetry. Look at these figures. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. A regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. And a regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. A shape has line of symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. Now let's check whether the line drawn on A is the line of symmetry or not. We take its one half and place it in front of mirror. Wow! Its one half is equal to the other half. This means that this is the line of symmetry.
Okay, students, do you understand now? Okay. And next, see one activity. Find out the symmetrical figure and color it. See, first picture, heart shape only can be divided 2 parts. And next one can be divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts. Next one, cylinder can be divided only 2 parts. Okay. And next, see the next picture, we cannot divide this symmetrically. Okay, so only 3 of these can be divided and last one cannot be divided. Okay, so students, color it only 3 pictures. Okay, thank you.